Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand ASCII value table in C. So the concept of character, data type called character, has already been discussed in our previous videos. So there we have said that whenever we try to declare a character, we use the keyword data type char, and this is the variable name ch, and this variable ch is assigned with a. So how the compiler will work with these characters? So these characters are there on our keyboard. So how the compiler will understand this is a character A, character B, character C, lowercase a, b, c. So how the computer will understand all those characters? How the compiler will understand all those characters? So for the characters on the keyboard to understand clearly, C uses a standard called ASCII standard. Sorry. So what this ASCII stands for is, it is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So every character on the keyboard and some special characters, so every character is identified uniquely by using a code word. So that code word is what we call it as ASCII code. This is the character table. Initially the C compiler used only 127 characters, 127 codes, 0 to 127, means 128 codes, starting from 0 to 127, and later it has been, the ASCII table has been extended by using 8 bits. So using 7 bits we are going to get 0 to 127. Using 8 bits we are going to get 0 to 255. So total 256 codes, ASCII codes are there. So this is the table. Initially it is from 0 to initial table, C programming. Now all the compilers are using 256 ASCII codes. So 0 to 255. So all these special characters, alphabets, digits, everything is are there within these ASCII tables. So ASCII codes. Okay. So for example, if you take 65 is the code for uppercase A. See here, 65 is the code for uppercase A, 66 uppercase B. Similarly, if you take lowercase alphabets, it starts from 97 to 122. All these are the codes for lowercase alphabets. Okay, so now whenever it identifies capital A, what it will check for is, it will convert this capital A to 8-bit binary number. So what is the binary value for 65? What is the binary value for 65? So based on that binary, this A will get converted into 8-bit binary value of 65. The decimal code that is used is 65. So the every decimal number will have its binary equivalent code. Okay, now that 65 will get converted into 8-bit binary value. Okay, so these are all the codes that we have for ASCII values. For all the characters, and each code is what we call it as ASCII code. Okay, so this is all about ASCII value tables, and these tables are freely available on the internet. Please check each and every code for your understanding. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol, and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.